We are pleased to show you the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, tow hitch, power liftgate, power steering, aluminum wheels, heated steering wheel, fog lamps, intermittent wipers, variable speed, intermittent wipers, remote trunk release. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.